The video you're about to watch is some found footage from the great year of 2023. Now, what happened in 2023, you may ask? Me and my friends reacted to the Flash movie, and I didn't even remember I recorded this. But I was just going through some files while editing, of course, and I randomly stumbled upon a file of me and my friends sitting there watching the Flash movie for 3 hours. Now, the Flash is my favorite movie, so I figured, why not just make it a video, which is what you're watching. So, if you guys like the video, like and subscribe for more content. Let's just get right into it. Roll that intro.
You got my heartbeat racing, my body.
What the hell?
Oh, what happened to Spider-Man?
Bro's getting it down right now.
It's Spider-Ben now. I got so upset at Zendaya for doing that.
We're getting like derailed by the two guys. You like derailed on Black Dude.
This is
It's the Flash
Seth.
movie. It's the greatest
Seth.
movie.
how much money did this movie lose,
It barely made anything.
bro? I just what the hell is this?
Like the movie overall isn't even that bad. Like without my bias, it is like literally like a decent movie.
I can't trust you without me by it.
Why
No,
does he
without
even,
my
why,
bias, it's literally better than most like Marvel. It's like
why does he
it's like
even have a
mid
calorie?
Marvel. It's because he has a fast metabolism.
Doesn't he have a stomach?
Yes.
Yeah, I don't know
Can't
how
tell
he digests all of that fast.
Can't he tell when he's hungry?
And
Why is that going so fast?
Exactly. No.
The way things move just do not make sense. You could have just moved the baby. Why'd you have to put him in a microwave?
no, there's a reason for that.
What's the reason? What's the reason, Seth? What's the reason?
So the reason is he says it in a couple minutes.
What's the reason, Seth?
He can't like physically move people with his speed. He has to like have
Or kill
protection
them?
around them.
What is he doing right now? What is he doing right now?
No, he's not like run them.
Why couldn't he just do this? Oh my god. He's
That is
moving the
only when-
babies.
that is
Oh,
only-
he's moving the babies.
Can't move
Why
them.
did that one have to go on the microwave?
You know why, Jason.
What is he doing? What was that?
That was so zesty. That was so zesty. Oh my
Oh,
god.
there's a discontinuity error. Look at how she's posed right now. Look at how she's posed right now. Her arms are bent more than 90 degrees or less than 90 degrees. And they're straight out right there.
Oh,
Look
he's
at that.
not wrong.
Because your arms could move.
No, she can't.
Oh
She
my
pushes.
super speed? Arms
He's
moving
not
super
running at
speed?
super speed.
What? I'm Seth,
Where did he even say the dog?
no, he didn't. I was just about to mention that, Rafa.
Mr. Howard, you've made me very proud.
Well, how does he? The babies are mixed up now. How do you know which one's which?
That's not the Flash's problem.
I understand
And
that
blood
these
types.
events can be psychologically scarring.
Oh my god.
What?
Okay, so
Oh
when
my
he
God.
grabs him, I gotta pause. Look at how his wrist is bent. He's like he's like a little girl, like showing that he's gonna punch someone. That's not how anyone would ever punch in real life. Oh wow.
Oh yeah, this is definitely
Oh, there's Wonder Woman finally. Wow.
All right,
They
that's
saved
the
the
most
day.
realistic out of the superheroes. Out of it.
Wonder Woman
So far.
showing up and going da 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 at the same
She
time.
did nothing, bro.
No,
She did
but
nothing.
that actually looks like Wonder Woman, kind of.
Why is his nose so big? Why is his nose so big?
Hey. Nice suit.
Yo.
Holy.
Thank
Yo, Flash is out. No, his thing is out, bro. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, it's out, bro.
Why
It's
is his
out.
nose so big?
I
No.
I never noticed that.
Alright,
So-
Batman's face is not ever gonna be like that.
that suit is horrible.
The cowl is just bad.
Oh, I know sex exists. I've just never experienced it.
Okay, yeah, I'm done.
Oh my god.
Turn this off, please.
Oh.
You remember that sauce you make on Sundays?
Sunday sauce? Makes no sense.
That's not fair, Mankey.
This question
Mankey.
is stupid.
Damn.
Barry!
How do you get blamed for that?
Because his hands are on the
Because his hands, because like he's the only one who could have done it.
All right, but what about the Suns out?
Why didn't he call 911?
Ran out the house.
Can't he just like help his dad escape?
That's not what he wants to do, though.
His dad
Why?
killed his mom?
His dad did not kill his
It
mom.
was a reverse Flash.
No, well, you can't spoil it, Seth.
Dude, that's literally, oh my god. That is common knowledge of Flash.
That is kind of common knowledge.
I know. Is he flashpointing right now?
Dude, Sonic literally did this.
When?
Because of like the
Oh, you didn't play the game? Hypersonic?
I didn't play the game.
Oh
What?
my god.
Why is his head so big? What?
His head's even bigger now.
Dude, that's like the head from Thor Love and Thunder.
Exactly, I was thinking
I
that.
don't know why
I was thinking
everybody
that.
says that. That's
So
not
you're
even
saying you
that
went
as
back.
bad as that.
Also, Batman would just never hang out with
What
Flash.
if it's supposed to?
That is actually like extremely wrong.
Your
How?
childhood made you a hero.
Would they sit in an alleyway and talk about life? No.
Yes.
I might fall asleep in this movie, bro.
Why is he blue?
Coming in.
It's because the suit concentrates his lightning to make it yellow.
Why?
Isn't blue lightning faster,
A
though?
lot tidier in here than
No.
I expected.
Yeah?
Yes.
No, it's supposed to be, but not in this. Like, like control lightning is blue in this. Like control.
Yeah,
is
well,
yellow.
Less sensitive.
That's such a virgin. Like, he's like,
Oh my
That's the
god.
point. He's a
It could have been
loser.
less
Like,
sensitive.
you lost both parents in one day.
yeah, he's a loser.
Gotta
No
be
wonder you like this
it,
movie.
right?
I mean,
Okay,
that's kind of why I got
okay.
into journalism.
My bad, my
Okay,
bad.
guy. Okay, guy.
My bad. Man, this movie's really boring.
Jewish community.
What about the Jewish community? What? What?
How exactly does a Flash fight?
Punching
And
punching
how did
for
that
lightning.
guy pop up?
I-
in
oh my
Flash's
God, bro.
Portal?
What? That clothing kind of fits him.
Facts.
We need Josh to get long sweaters.
No, we do not.
It's Barry Allen, the girl version.
Que susto, Monkey. What are you wearing?
Monkey.
The date to know.
Kill him.
He heard date and got
In
mad.
that comment.
Oh my god,
sorry,
that's why
Seth.
Seth runs like that, because he watches The Flash.
I hate you all so much. Like I'm about to leave. Honestly, if you weren't watching the Flash,
No, Seth, it was a joke. Come on.
I'm slow.
I can't wait to see Thomas Wayne.
I don't think he knows that. Yeah, I can't. I
Good day.
definitely can't wait to see
Barry,
Thomas
the
Wayne.
accident gave you powers, but took
Why did you say it like that?
Hey,
Come on,
why
Seth.
do I hate this one more than the other, Barry Allen? Like, damn.
Yeah, that's literally the point.
Jason, I'm proud of you. Come on, start right now, bro.
Kai, why do you hate it when I say
I
it?
can't. I can't even make a comment on the movie without you hate it. You've been
No,
hating
Kai,
the army guys.
the whole point is to hate
I said
this
one thing.
guy.
No. Shut up. Shut up. I'm tired of you, bro. Shut up. Like, shut up, damn.
Oh,
What the hell?
whoa.
Oh my god.
I do not want to see that. It's not-
Oh
he hooked up with random guys.
He was in them bathhouses.
Could have told you about the clothes.
my god.
Friction. Again, the movie back. to
Why
the
did he
future.
stop getting annoying? Why is he serious now?
Got someone dumber than him.
Literally. Seth, we need to find you someone to mentor.
You need to take
Damn,
this
what
up.
the hell does that do to you?
Nothing. I just think.
Oh
I
my
just think
God.
Seth having someone to mentor. We just need 2 Seths in the world.
Guys, you need to be starting nice to Seth. Especially you, Jason.
Okay, guy.
I am
okay.
so nice.
It's been the nicest thing so far.
Okay, guy.
Are you sure about that?
Actually, no.
Yeah,
Rafael-
that's
Rafael's
crazy.
been pretty good.
Now he's running people with super speed.
He's not running them. He's moving them a short distance.
Oh my
That-
god, Seth.
That is no, he's running them.
He is
running them.
We don't know how far he ran them, and like that could have
Oh
been.
my God.
He could have killed that kid. You never know.
And now it's about to happen again.
Texas.
What? Balls.
Well, I'm pretty hard right now, honestly.
Yeah, you're
Oh, that's
Probably my
he's
best.
still Bruce Wayne.
well, but you're a bit.
Do you know who that
Uh,
is?
different.
Older.
Well, and that's what I
Batman.
can't
It's the
understand.
Michael Keaton Batman.
I
from,
traveled back in time from here
Oh,
to
shoot.
here.
Dang.
Yet somehow everything.
There's no way he's Batman.
Actually, it goes many ways.
Can we watch the animated one next?
Okay,
Oh,
but
no.
it's a logical paradox.
Like the actual Flashpoint.
Yeah, the Flashpoint animated one next.
changed the
So much better.
That movie's fire.
You changed the past.
He moves on super speed.
What did you do? I had to move you, but I just did it a little.
That's why you don't move.
You still move the child and the babies.
The child probably vomit.
Okay, measuring his.
How much do you weigh?
180 each plus her 440.
How did he know her weight?
Because he's lifting her.
Oh yeah. Okay.
You know, Seth? Oh my god.
What the hell?
440 is pretty specific, Seth.
He was making an estimate. No, because he combined it all of them.
Seth, obviously you combine them all. We're asking how do you gauge how much someone weighs by holding them?
Because he was making an estimate.
He seemed pretty certain. I don't know, man.
Oh yeah.
No, he should have said, if you want to be nuts, let's get nuts. Like, he says it later, and it's so stupid.
What?
That's one of that Batman's, like, most iconic lines. You want to get nuts, let's get nuts.
You want to get nuts?
Like, this doesn't even fit here.
Let's get nuts.
It does not fit at all. That makes no sense.
Exactly. Like,
That's hard.
That's hard.
Well, I'm pretty hard right now, honestly. Just how they get you.
He's playing dead, bro. Don't trust him. Oh, come on. Ain't no. But like, how did I predict that? And she didn't think that.
It was so fueled by anger.
she's really just not smart.
That's what I'm saying, Seth. God. Literally.
Because, like,
That's it? That's all Batman does? Are you serious?
More emotional than Big Hero 6.
No, it's not.
It was not.
Thank you.
Same level. That's how I felt watching Big Hero 6, the brother die. Oh, Batman?
hey,
Dude, what happened to Batman, bro? This old washed man.
Oh, that's all it takes?
Look around.
look around, look around.
Shut up.
We are to be alive right now.
Crossing.
I hate this scene. I hate this scene so much.
I've said that about a lot of these scenes. Is that Nicolas Cage Superman?
Yes.
Oh shoot! I never want to see that again. It just doesn't make sense.
Let him cook.
Why he die from that?
He got stabbed through the heart.
I'll believe it when I see it.
He just died. He didn't stab the heart. What do you mean?
Oh my god, I just passed out.
Hold on, it's almost done. Don't worry.
Here.
No, that's AI generated.
See my client, Mr. Allen.
You should ask me to dinner.
What does she see?
Dinner with me?
Yes,
Like, how does
a
he
date.
pull
Very.
what I can't? Like,
Iris West, do you want to dinner date me?
I'm less awkward.
I'd love to.
Thank
It's
you.
a canon event says
I
she's
don't do
supposed to
also.
pull her. Or
Call me.
whatever.
Who the fuck is this?
Wait, this didn't even fix it. Listen, Seth.
Greatest movie ever.
I went in with low expectations, hoping that it would be better. Happy this is over.